A tiny feature transformation can silently damage a production model. ModelGuard turns a failed CI metric into an evidence-backed diagnosis, a minimal validated fix, and a resolved DataHub incident, without auto-merging anything. This churn model candidate drops F1 from 0.842 to 0.771. The deterministic gate fails with exit code 1, and emits a structured regression artifact. ModelGuard queries DataHub through the MCP server, or Python SDK for schema, ownership, quality signals, and bidirectional lineage. It traces the path from raw customers to features, training data, the model, and production deployment. The agent ranks competing hypotheses rather than jumping to a conclusion. The changed feature transformation scores 1.0 because it sits on the lineage path, touches the affected fields, and explains 37 new invalid values. ModelGuard proposes exactly 2 lines in one-cited function. Guardrails reject protected paths, oversized patches, and unsafe tokens. In a temporary workspace, compilation, 3 targeted tests, and independent model evaluation pass. F1 returns to 0.842. The validated-only gate creates one review-ready GitHub comment, and raises then resolves one DataHub incident. A stable delivery identifier makes the second execution an OP, preventing duplicate comments or metadata. Judges reproduce the complete flow with one command, and no credentials. The run generates JSON reports, a markdown explanation, a validated diff, and publication receipts under the showcase artifacts. ModelGuard detects the regression, traces the cause, validates the fix, and preserves the knowledge with DataHub.